Kalispell Regional Hospital is trying to make healthcare more reachable to the community as well as our patients. One way of doing this is through our virtual health platform, also known as Lifesize. Lifesize is what we use for video conferencing with our patients to their doctors. Now, some of you may have known that this was already happening, and so you have went ahead and downloaded that application. This is a brief tutorial on how to get connected to your provider using the Lifesize application with an iPhone. So I'm going to briefly share my screen and we'll take you through this step by step. Now you're going to go to the App Store to download Lifesize. It's this purple looking app right here. Click Get and it may request you to scan your thumb in order to download the application. After it's downloaded, you will go to your email where you'll receive a URL link as emailed to you from your doctor's clinic. Click on that email and it will open up the Lifesize application. Now there will be a couple questions that come up. It will ask if you want to allow it access to your Bluetooth. Yes, you do want to, so you say okay. It will ask for access to your microphone. Also, you want to allow this. And finally, access to your camera. It is video conferencing, so it does need to be able to see you using your camera. So you'll say okay to this as well. At this screen, you'll enter your name so your doctor knows which patient they're seeing. This extension will already be pre-filled simply by clicking on that link that was emailed to you earlier. And then select Join. It will connect you to this virtual exam room where you'll see your provider. It will automatically select your speaker and your microphone, so you don't have to worry about those settings, just your camera. And as soon as your provider joins, you'll be able to see them, and at the end of the visit, click the red button to disconnect.